I'm Jim Lee. I'm the COO of Crunch Labs. Crunch Labs is a subscription toy company that sends you a monthly toy and video to get really excited about science and engineering. We chose Prayella for this project because we were thinking of doing a custom site development or just going with Shopify, and Prayella seemed kind of like they could do both. They could help us customize what we wanted to do, but still use some existing tools that Shopify has to offer. My working experience with Prayella has been good. We had a big launch coming, we had a really short timeline, and Prayella really delivered and helped us get going out of the gate. When we launched, any other lesser agency would have fallen over, given our launch, the size and the speed that we had to operate. And so the communication was good. We were able to get some really good designs up front and iterate really quickly, even on a daily basis, as we were heading up to launch, and so that we would be ready. We were satisfied by the product that came out of Prayella. We really liked the site itself. We thought the design was good. It kind of reflected our values and the excitement that our products bring to kids and to adults. And so, yeah, we're happy with that part of it. We actually had quite a few challenges that we were facing from the very beginning that we knew about, and Prayella helped us navigate those. So one of those was just the speed. We needed to move very quickly for our launch. Number two was the scale. We had a lot of people that were going to come and visit the site because of Mark Rober's YouTube channel and his following. We knew like tens of millions of people were just going to visit this site, and we needed to be ready. And then the third thing is complexity. We had like a pretty complicated subscription that we wanted to offer from the very beginning, where every kid gets, a really great toy and video, and they needed to be able to kind of have this great experience from the beginning, where every month they're getting this sequence of boxes and videos. And so it was complex, and I think they were able to work with us and deliver a great experience for the users from the very beginning. We had a really short timeline to get our project done and to get our site and business launched. And Prayella rose to the occasion. They got it done in time. We did take some things out of scope, but we were able to communicate with each other about that process. I think in terms of like exceeding our expectations, just getting a really cool site design, I think that they nailed that part of it. We're happy with the design and the look. I think in terms of the timeline, they were up against a really short time frame and a pretty complex design. So they were able to work with us and to kind of narrow the scope and triage and focus on the things that mattered most. Nobody can anticipate the amount of scale and the transactions that we're going to start going through our systems. And while we were ready in a short amount of time, I think we were surprised, and so was Shopify even, the platform, in terms of the amount of transactions and subscriptions that we're starting and just the site traffic. And so I think over the next several months, we were kind of preparing for the fourth quarter. And as we did that, we wanted to be sure that things would go very smoothly. In terms of the team, we've seen a lot of standouts. I think Nick from the beginning, he brought us into the fold at Prayella and kind of remained a little bit as we transitioned into a working team. Amer, the CEO, he stands out. He's definitely helped solve problems and jump in and communicate with us. Alex, leading the project, communicating with all the developers. We have an open line of communication, even a Slack channel that we share a lot of information back and forth. And then Sarah on the design side. We're really happy with her designs and her working style. It's really helped us to create a site that we're really happy with. Prayella took time to figure out our business needs and understand the goals that we specifically had, which are pretty unique and somewhat complex in terms of being able to offer this recurring subscription model in sequence for our subscribers. And so they definitely took the time, worked with us, and we scoped it all out on, in discussions, and then on paper, and then mocks, and then actually into a site development. We had our share of surprises along the way. We didn't know how much scale we would actually see, and we got a lot of site traffic, a lot of surprises along the way. Some good, some bad, but we worked together to kind of solve the problems and get to a place where we can deliver the right box to the right person at the right time and help people that come to the site for the first time understand what it is that we're offering and why it's important to them, and really why it's great for kids and helps parents really get their kids excited about learning and STEM, like science, technology, engineering, and math. And so we feel good about it. We think it's a good site. We think we can really convey the benefits of what we provide. And it's exciting. Like Mark Rober's YouTube channel and his videos are amazing, and they get people really excited and interested in learning, let alone STEM itself. So we feel like the site and the problems we faced along the way, we're able to kind of overcome them in an engineering mindset, just like Mark Rober's videos, and allow kids to kind of get that experience too, hands-on with our products every month with the toys and the videos that we offer. And the site helps us do that.